This is a phone in a bucket of water, which seems kind of strange, but actually not in this case, because this is the new GT7 Pro, and it's the first of the Snapdragon 8 Elite smartphones. So this should be faster than previous generation flagships. It's also got a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, and it's got IP69 water rating.
That's underwater now.
Start the timer.
It's been sitting in here, Mo tells me, for 45 minutes. And that's because it can handle it, according to their documentation, up to 2 hours submerged. So I think that'll mean this is our very first ever underwater unboxing video. I don't think I've done that before. I'm fairly certain I haven't done that before. Oh, it's crazy how much it floats. So on the back of the box, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, well, this is what they actually ended up calling Snapdragon 8 Elite. 50 megapixel AI camera, 50 megapixel 3x camera, 120 hertz AMOLED, 6,500 milliamp hour battery, and 120 watt fast charging. This one is in Galaxy Gray, but I believe it's also available in like an orange color. This box is soaked. SIM tool, free case in the package. Here is the phone. Ooh. Feels kind of premium, solid metallic feel. This is the gray color. Triple camera setup over here. Power, volume, Type-C for the 120 watt fast charging, SIM slot. Very flat, brick style device with flat edges for a confident grip. Now, since we are charging so quickly, here is our 120 watt Super VOOC fast charger and a wet cable. Now let's go ahead and see if it powers on. Powered on, look. It's all IP69, man. It's all good. All right, so we have the device set up now. This is the gray color. You can also get it in this vibrant orange Mars-like color. Look at the kind of little lines in there, a little slight reflectiveness to it. If you want to be more vibrant, it actually changes the color of the frame of the device also. We have some games installed on here, and that's because I think really the story is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite and what it's capable of. If you look at this thing in benchmarks, it's obviously outperforming the previous generation, and it represents a chip that's going to show up in a variety of flagships, and we just so happen to be seeing it here first in the GT7 Pro. So you're gonna get high frame rate gaming. And the nice thing about that chip is in this case, it's paired with a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, which can also charge quickly. So you've got plenty of battery life for any of those labor intensive tasks. So let's launch into a game. I just noticed this comes with a screen protector on it. I don't wanna have that there. I'm just gonna get rid of that. This has obviously some sort of dynamic setting for screen refresh where it can shift between 120 and 60 for battery consumption, battery savings. You can also lock it in 120. If we launch a game here, it should go up to 120. I can swipe in from the left part of the screen, hyper boost. I can see my temps, my frame rate, and I can also change my mode from balance to GT because I want even more frames. What else? Game focus mode. This will limit the number of notifications, obviously. I can do screen recording in here. Lots of game specific things. Game filters, voice changers for the gamers, of course. Yeah, pretty much locked at 60 frames. We take it. I should jump out, okay? Speakers on here. Let's max them out. What we got? Stereo is definitely there. It's just bot city anyway. Use my game, sir. That's what I'm gonna do. Sick! Yes! There we go. Run, bro. Mbappe. Rodrigo. Flying. I need to maybe increase the difficulty level. Just a touch. They've seen it before. They'll see it again. Oh, stoned. I'm gonna snap photos of Mo 1x, 2x, 0.6. What if I switch to video? I'll do that too. 80, 1080, 30? No thanks. What about 4K 60? That's Mo. That's Mo. and it's 4K 60. That's Mo. That's Mo. That's Mo. And it's 4K 60. That's Mo. That's Mo. That's Mo. And it's 4K 60. That's Mo.
That's Lou. That's Lou.
Go on.
That's Lou.
No, 4K 60. That's Lou.
That's Lou.
Go on.
That's Lou.
No, 4K 60. That's Lou. So it's got a 3x telephoto. That is a 50 megapixel IMX882 half-inch sensor, which is the biggest 3x telephoto sensor in this price range, according to realme. The main camera, 50 megapixels as well, 1/156 for the sensor size. That's an IMX906. You have a wide angle on their 8 megapixel IMX355. It's got an underwater mode, which is cool considering its extremely high IP rating. This is the industry's first all-around underwater mode. Yeah, I'm just noticing that now. There's a kind of red accent around the camera section. It's subtle, but it's there. It's got a bunch of AI features, AI snap mode, AI sketch to image, AI motion de-blur, AI zoom clarity.
That's the bad guys?
Bad guys.
Sniper eliminated. Target down.
All right. Oh, really? Oh. Oh, I did not expect to get that kill.
I'm hurt. Target down.
Am I getting like...
Reloading. Taking the lead. Sniper eliminated. Targets in sight. Reloading. Cover me.
Oh, it's over. We win. I didn't even describe what this is to people, but like this is from a company called GameSir. That's the X3 Pro. And if you have a phone that's this capable and you add some sort of external controller to it, it really takes things up a notch. Plus, it doesn't get that hot, the phone, but if you have a really extended gaming session, this thing can plug in and then you have active cooling. You have a fan on the back and the whole thing connects via one single Type-C port like this. Yeah, listen, Snapdragon 8 Elite, crazy amount of power. You're gonna play whatever you wanna play on there. You've got stereo sound and you've got really fast charging, 120 watt. Boom, smart, rapid charging, super VOOC. Watch it go up in real time. 6,500 milliamp hour battery, put it in water, IP69. All right, so there you have it. That is the new GT7 Pro from realme. Let me know in the comments which of these colors you would pick up, and if you're excited for the latest Snapdragon flagship, Snapdragon 8 Elite. Wow, you got a headlight.
I wanted to show off my ride. I wanted to show off my ride here, and you... Oh! I wanted to show off my ride here, and you... Oh! Oh my god.
And it's durable.
That was a pretty heavy fall, to be honest.
On concrete.
Yeah.
Real world.
Still rolling.
Yeah, no, real world. Like
Cool.
like nothing.